Representative, Government of Maharashtra State, to deliver a speech.
Honorable Pro-Chancellor ma'am, may I request you to deliver your speech, please?
Good morning, everyone. Present on the dais, His Excellency Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan Ji, Honorable Government of Maharashtra. Present on the dais, Dr. Anil Kakodkar Ji, Chancellor, Homi Bhabha National Institute and Chairman, Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, the Chief Guest for the Convocation Ceremony, Dr. Nitin Patil, the Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra Animal Fishery Sciences and University, Member of the Executive and Academic Council invitees, Deans, Doctors, Registrars, learned professors of the university, beloved graduating students and their proud parents, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I'm very nervous today because I have not attended my own convocation. So in this gown, I'm feeling very proud. But when I'm dealing with doctorates and gold medalists and silver medalists, I'm feeling it is really a grace of God that I am kind of here as a pro-chancellor and able to see this kind of merit of my state. I extend my warm congratulations to all the graduates, postgraduates, and doctoral students who are receiving their medals and awards and degrees. Convocation marks, basically for me, convocation is culmination of years of hard work, dedication, commitment, and celebration of your journey, your achievements, your future. Today is not just academic excellence, the day of academic excellence, but it's all about the life lessons you have learned along the way, the humility moments of success and ability to embrace the change. As you leave this hall, you carry with you not just a degree, but a sense of purpose, responsibility, and a commitment to contributing to the society that nurtured you. The journey of education is never complete, and this convocation does not mark an end, but rather a new beginning. As you step out in the world, remember that learning is a lifelong process. Your degrees are foundation, but it is your passion, your curiosity, and ability to adapt and grow that will shape your future. Though many individuals have contributed to your success, it is your teachers who have played an instrumental role in nurturing your talent and inspiring you to reach new heights. The dedication, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to your growth have helped you evolve from youthful, enthusiastic student into a highly skilled professional. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend again my heartfelt gratitude to all of them who nurtured you and made you these human beings you are going to go in the real world. Basically, our state is a state of biodiversity, and you all know because you're studying in this field that we have been trying to be excellent in the work we are doing in goatery, fishery, and dairy areas also. So I am very proudly saying that we stand 5 in milk production in the country. Amongst the first 5 states, we stand 7th in the egg production, and in meat production, we stand 3rd in the country. And as a minister, I have decided and made this a commitment to myself that one number, at least I'll rise by the time I leave this ministry. Basically, I feel you should go in the world, you should research, you should learn, it should never stop, and you should always give results. You should never fear hard work. You should never fear the struggle you're going to face. You should only fear certain things. It is bad addictions, bad friends. You should also fear breaking rules. मैं कुछ अपनी राष्ट्रभाषा में कहना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि जो मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ रही हूँ या बोल रही हूँ उसमें जो स्वाद नहीं आएगा अगर मैं अपने राष्ट्रभाषा में आपसे बात नहीं करूँगी। मैं युवाओं को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि युवा संघर्ष और परिश्रम से कभी न डरे। युवा संघर्ष और परिश्रम से कभी न डरे। वो डरे तो बुरी संगत से डरे, वो डरे तो बुरे आदतों से डरे, और वो डरे तो नियमों को तोड़ने से डरे। युवा में जो ऊर्जा है एक एटम में होती है, एक अणु में होती है, और अणु की ऊर्जा जैसे एक देश की शक्ति बन सकती है, तो एक देश को उद्ध्वस्त भी कर सकती है। इसलिए युवाओं की ऊर्जा को अच्छा चैनलिंग ये बहुत ही आवश्यक है। कोई माता ऐसी नहीं होती, कोई पिता ऐसे नहीं होते जो अपने बच्चों को बुरा सिखाते हैं। कोई शिक्षक भी ऐसे नहीं होते जो अपने विद्यार्थी को गलत दिशा में जाने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते हैं। ये अपना मन है जो हमेशा चुनाव करने में कहीं हार जाता है, कहीं जीत जाता है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूंगी कि आप हर चुनाव में जीते। जैसे आज आपने गोल्ड मेडल हासिल किया है, सिल्वर मेडल हासिल किया है, जैसे आप अपने डिग्री हासिल की है, वैसे ही आप अपने आने वाले जीवन में इज्जत भी हासिल करें। आप अपने जैसे अनेक युवाओं को स्पर्श करें और उनके जीवन को एक नया आयाम दे, एक नई दिशा दे। जैसे देश निर्माण युवाओं से ही होता है, युवाओं से देश की निर्मित होती है, देश की बढ़ोतरी होती है, पर कर्तृत्ववान युवाओं से वो होती है। मैं तो ये कहूँगी कि देश अगर निर्माण होता है तो कर्तृत्ववान युवाओं से होता है, पर देश जीवित रहता है, संस्कृति जीवित रहती है तो वो चारित्रवान युवाओं से होती है। तो आप कर्तृत्ववान भी बने और चारित्रवान भी बने। ये आपके जो जीवन में आने वाले हर क्षण को आप एंजॉय भी करें, उससे सीखें भी और आगे भी बढ़े। मैं विवेकानंद जी के ये शब्दों के साथ आपका प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाते हुए अपनी वाणी को ज़रूर विराम दूंगी। सो विवेकानंद जी सेज, ड्रीम ड्रीम ड्रीम, ड्रीम transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. So dream big, work hard and never stop learning. So there is no option for hard work and smart work. You always keep doing that and always get greater height, always achieve greater height, always achieve satisfaction in your life in whatever job you do. In our country, in everywhere, doctors are considered as gods because they give life, they give protection to human life. But you are beyond that because you are dealing with those entities we cannot express. They cannot express their feelings by word. And that's why I feel the career you have chosen have already proven the kind of souls you are. All the best to you.